0 to fluent. تعلم الإنجليزية من الصفر حتى الاحتراف. Building and occupations. البنايات والوظائف. Today we'll learn about buildings and jobs in English. اليوم سوف نتعلم عن المباني والمهن باللغة الإنجليزية. Mosques. Clergyman. Church or temple. Priest and priestess. Monk and nun. Municipality. Garbage man. Streets sweeper. Foreman. Recycling truck. TV station and radio station. Meteorologist. News announcer. Reporter. Journalist.
Cameraman.
Broadcaster. Zoo. Zookeeper. Forest or jungle. Ranger. Lumberjack. Factory. Construction worker. Miner. Company. Engineer. Architect. Businessman. Construction manager. Warehouse or depot. Porter and worker. Forklift and tractor trailer. A merchant. Tailor.
Seamstress. Fashion designer. Plumber.
Electrician. Auctioneer. Chauffeur.
Gunsmith.
Astrologer and palmist. Sales representative or delegate. Paymaster. Housewife. Babysitter. Wet nurse. Janitor or doorkeeper. Caretaker.